using the grid is very important. The grid basically tells you, the bars of the song. In this case, I can see right now that after 2 bars, it loops, and I have 2 bars of information. So when I play it, you can actually see where it's at. If you look at the bottom, you can actually see where my information is and how I did it. Like, it's right here. And I can actually change things. I can actually highlight this and move this MIDI information to the very beginning so it's right on the 1. Now, say I move this back. Another thing I could do with this is quantize it by aligning the actual information. So if I take this, see the notes, and I align to 1/4, let's play it one more time.